That's what Christmas is all about.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas Day 13. Today's video is going to be part 1 of the Vegas vlogs. If you've missed my other Vlogmas videos, you need some context. I'm going to Las Vegas for Allie's cheer competition that happens to fall on our birthday weekend. Allie is my twin if you're new, and some of our friends are going to be there that cheer at different gyms or that cheer at the same gym as Allie. So it's going to be a super fun weekend, and I figured I'd probably have a lot of content, so I'm going to be breaking it up into 2 parts. Part 1 is going to be packing and the Friday vlog, maybe a little bit of Saturday. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to split it up just yet, but today's Thursday. I have so much to do. It's just been the busiest week ever. I feel like I've communicated that through my vlogs. You guys see I just have a lot going on this week, and I still need to pack. So we leave tomorrow morning at like 6 something a.m. Anyway, I have footage from earlier today, so I'm gonna insert that right here. I have some fun videos from when I was in class. We did a little Christmas party in SLT, which is like our ASB or student council. So that was fun, and I will insert the footage I got today right here. The tables are decorated so beautifully. And Grace is currently wrapping my gift for the gift exchange because I didn't have time and I am so last minute, and I didn't even buy it. Grace and Allie got it for me.
Look at my present I wrapped, all with ASB items.
Forever 21, Forever 21, Nike, my sister's closet.
This is my gift I wrapped. I was not a part of Girl Scouts, so my Belle sweater, it rings, Goodwill, and then my pants are from Zara. Shoes are from Converse.
I got a gift from his student. That's
so nice.
No way.
It's 11 out of 10, bro.
Wait.
Old Navy, I think. Lucky is a fire store.
Chug.
Gets all his stuff from J. Crew. 60% off.
J.
Don't tell Sarah, but I stuck those cookies in her shoe. There they are, guys. Also, Allie is oblivious to anything that goes in her hood. Spot the difference. Gavin's unboxing his present, his white elephant gift. Gavin's big in the
well over the budget.
Gavin's big in the exfoliating
I got my whole routine.
Oh, he's got his whole routine ready, bro.
Look at Kaylee, she's a human Christmas tree. You don't walk around school like this. Cookies in her shoes.
Guys, I got my own gifts.
Gavin, you actually got really good one.
Who put these in my shoes? I swear.
Hi guys, we're currently getting a ride over to our cars.
What's up, vlog?
Vlogmas Day.
I don't even know what it is.
You're gonna see a lot of me in the next few days, and I apologize in advance.
And now we are back to the present. I haven't vlogged all that much today. I was up very late last night. It has not stopped this week, which honestly I'm very thankful for. I feel like all my vlogs this week have just been me complaining about how busy I am, but I'm really grateful to be busy and to have all these things to do and have all these opportunities and fun, exciting things going on. So I'm thankful to be busy. I'm in my brother's room right now. He went back home, or not home, he left home to go back to college, and he's coming back home soon again for Christmas. He was here for Thanksgiving. So it is 1:58 right now. I am back home clearly, and I am starving. So I'm gonna make some lunch right now. I'm gonna make my HelloFresh, and they're sponsoring today's video. So I'm excited to show you guys, and I'm excited to have a real meal because all day today I literally have had nothing nutritious. I had an apple before I left the house because I woke up literally 10 minutes before I had to leave, and then I ate 2 of Claire's cookies that she made, I think for a club meeting or for something. I don't know why, but she had a bunch of cookies, so I ate some of those, and then I ate a whole bunch of Christmas cookies in SLT and the meringues. My gosh, look at this video. That was just now. There's a meringue still in Allie's hood. Moral of the story, I'm starving because I have not had anything nutritious. I just like, I haven't had a real meal today. So let's go to the kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make. I'm really excited about it. It's my first time trying HelloFresh. I have heard so many good things about them, and I see them all the time in Anna Hyde's videos. I love watching her vlogs, and she's always talking about HelloFresh. So I had to try it out for myself. Let's go. Okay, it is currently raining outside, and this looks like a literal bowl of heaven. So I got the barbecue chicken flatbread, sesame soy beef bowls, and Palermo prosciutto and chicken penne. Sounds delicious. If you know me, you know I love to cook, and it's almost therapeutic for me because I go to school and my brain is just on overload all day, and I can just go home and make myself something and sit down and eat it and relax. It's a good feeling. So I have everything I need right here to make the recipe. So I'm gonna make this for lunch, and I will update you guys when it's all done to let you know how it all tastes. These are all the ingredients I'm gonna use. I have them right here, and they have step-by-step instructions on the back. It doesn't look too difficult. It also shows me what I need, like kitchen appliance-wise. I'm already a really big fan of everything being portioned out because 1, it saves a lot of time, and 2, it eliminates a lot of waste because whenever I get stuff from the grocery store to make recipes, I never know how much I'm gonna need or use. And with this, everything is already pre-portioned for me, and it has cute packaging. You get everything you need, so it seems hard to mess up. And before I make this, I also wanna mention that they don't just have dinner and lunch. Meals, HelloFresh is for all meal occasions. They have a variety of extras for desserts, breakfasts, and seasonal snacks. For example, I saw they have a holiday charcuterie board and the Pillsbury snowman cookies. There's so many options. So I am starving and ready to make this. Okay, update. It is all done. Looks beautiful. And I'm gonna give you guys a little taste test because I'm so hungry. As you know, I already tried the chicken and the pasta sauce thing underneath here separately. I'm gonna try to get a piece of everything in this bite. Bon appetit. This is so good. I don't know what is in this sauce, but that with the peas and the spice on the chicken is divine. I think, in my opinion, the only thing that I would dislike is the chili seasoning, just because I don't like spicy things. So I didn't put any of the chili seasoning on. It was like an optional thing because it said to add to taste. It was in red, and I'm glad that I left that out because that might have been a little too powerful for me. And that's the good thing about HelloFresh is you can take what they give you and make it your own, customize it. This is already perfect as it is, but you don't have random ingredients sitting around after you cook dinner or lunch or whatever you're making. I am a new fan of HelloFresh. I love that their food's delicious. It saves so much time no matter what phase of life you're in. I feel like everybody's always busy and could use the time that you would gain from not going to the grocery store and not having to pre-portion out every single thing for a meal you're gonna cook. It's flexible because you can cook it whenever you want to and you can customize it to your liking, and it gives back. They have a partnership with St. Jude, so I will link all the information about that down below in the description box, and you can use my code right here on the screen to get up to 14 free meals and 3 free gifts. I'm getting more. I know you guys know this is obviously a sponsorship on this video, but beyond this, I will definitely be ordering from them again because I want to be able to eat like good, wholesome, healthy food. And when you eat good, you feel good. Anyway, I could go on about this forever, but like I said, I'm a new fan of HelloFresh. So thank you so much to them for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check out all the information down below in the description box. The link, the code down there, everything like that. I have to go babysit now. Actually, I need to go pick up my neighbor's dog from the groomer for her and then help watch her kids because she's having really crazy week with work. I feel like everyone during this time of year is just so slammed on so many levels. And then I need to post day 9 of Vlogmas. I will pack when I get back. I feel like I'm just aimlessly walking around right now. I need to make a list of everything that I need to pack, like I said, do these dishes. And I will talk to you guys when I go get mochi from the groomer. Hello guys, update. It is 4:32. I am on my way to pick up mochi from the groomer. The rain is still kind of here, but I could not find my keys. I'm driving with my spare key, like I'm fine to drive my car, but I could not find my keys. I'm at a red light. Oh, I thought someone was talking to me. I'm like, it's literally red. What was I talking about? I just lost my train of thought. Oh yes, could not find my keys anywhere and I don't know where they are. They're in the house somewhere because I walked in the house with them and my car was locked. I did not lock them in the car, but they have my license, my debit card, everything that is important that I will need for the airport tomorrow, and I already looked through so much, so I will just have to go digging for them. Anyway, that's like the worst parking job I've ever done, but I'm short on time because they're gonna charge if it's like past whatever time to get the dog. Okay, look at Mochi. He's so handsome with his haircut, and it's time to go home. What's up guys? My camera will not focus, but it is so much later, like midnight, and I just grinded out this project that was due at 11:59. I finished this thing, then there was also a write-up that went went with it, but it is done. I'm done with all my assignments for the semester. Praise the Lord. I just need to study a lot now, and I have to do some study guide stuff. Technically, I have to turn in my astronomy study guide, but that's so easy. This really does not want to focus. And I don't know what's going on. My hair is falling out. Anyway, I just count that as studying. I don't count that as an assignment. So I'm done for the first semester with all my assignments. That does not ease any of my stress though, because it's 12 and I have to pack. I should be able to do this quickly. This is just very messy. And I need to figure out all the school stuff I have to bring studying wise, because we are getting up at the crack of dawn tomorrow for our flight. We probably don't need to, but I think my mom just wants to be very, very careful and sure with the flight. Here's Allie. She has a spray tan. She just got it.
I'm so excited.
Look at her hands. She's all packed and ready to go, and her room is spotless. Unfortunately, I cannot relate. I either pack way early or at the very last second. There's absolutely no in between. She still needs to wash it off. That's why it looks so crazy.
I'm forgetting something, and I feel like I'm gonna get there and I'm not gonna have something, and I'm really paranoid about it.
You'll be okay.
So like,
Okay, I'm gonna go get some tea and then get to work on packing, because this thing will not pack itself. Hi guys, update. It is obviously the next day. It is currently 10:54 a.m. and we are here at the Mirage in Vegas. We are in Macy's room. She got upgraded to a penthouse. I need to recap you because I said I was gonna film me packing, which I never did because I was exhausted. Here's Allie. She looks really tan because she got a spray tan last night. My hair, I swear, has been in a clip like this for the past 2 days. Anyway,
I just bought one from Target and it's so
they're the
cute.
best. It's just so easy. I woke up this morning at like 5 something and I like literally 5 minutes before we had to leave the house. I looked like a mess. I did my makeup once I got to Macy's room. That's why I look a little more put together now. Anyways, slept the entire plane ride, completely exhausted. I slept like on Allie's shoulder.
Yeah.
Like this.
It was so
plane
quick.
ride. So now we made it here. We're waiting on our room to be ready. Macy got here last night. Like,
Listen,
to her.
I'm not bougie. It was for free. Do not come for me, okay?
Well,
ready.
What time did you get here last night?
3:45 a.m.
Anyway, Macy got upgraded to a penthouse.
Because we stayed an extra night and they were like, we'll trade you.
She's gonna show it off. Go.
This is the nice little bar kitchen area. Blue couch, really great color.
Velvet couch.
Macy's wearing quite the fit right now.
Yeah.
This
Purple
is
and green.
Fearless to Squish for good luck.
I should show my new
Dining room, the normal bedroom.
The master.
Abnormally close to the bed. It's just, I don't
know
really
who
know.
decided upon
It
this. Then best part in my opinion, this is the bathroom. And then you walk down here, we have this hallway. This is perfect for a little fit check moment. Vanity beauty counter moment going on here.
Check the rings.
We're gonna make a TikTok and we'll talk to you when we go to lunch. Hello guys, update time. It is currently 3:04. I just got a text from Cami. I'm trying to find her because I think she's in the hotel somewhere. Anyway, we finished lunch. If you guys didn't know, Cami is on Allie's team and she also goes to our school. You've probably seen her in my videos. But Grace is gonna be here at 4:30, so I'm going to hang out with her for a little bit when she gets here. For the past couple hours-ish, I've been working, editing videos, things like that. Allie was studying, my mom was working, and what's next, guys? I don't know. I will keep you guys updated. No, this is still from when Sarah did my hair. I need to wash it. I'll shower tonight, but
What's your view? Okay, so here it is.
we're gonna show you our view on the strip.
Really cute, actually. There's a little volcano thingy right there that we can watch a rep. We're staying at the Mirage. Kind of fancy.
I have like an hour and a half, more like an hour time to kill until Grace gets here. Everyone who's actually cheering, so all my friends except for me, have practice around 7, so I'll probably just do my working out when they go to practice. So I'm gonna keep working and studying for now until I go work out. I don't know where my energy is coming from because literally, no joke, in the past 3 days, I've probably gotten maybe 9 hours of sleep total. I just woke up from a nap. I'm half asleep still. Look at it. My mom is braiding hair and Katie's here. You didn't tie me up. Yeah. This is me from the future. Had plans to do like a really fun act of kindness today, but I didn't have a chance to do it. And so today's act of kindness was getting my mother out of the locked stairwell. Basically, the hotel we're staying at has these really highly technologically advanced keys, and you can't get to the floor that you are not staying on. Scratch that. Your key only takes you to the floor you're staying on. You cannot get to, for example, if we're on floor 5, we wouldn't be able to get to any other floor except for that one and going down to the lobby. So I'm gone by the time I post this video, so it won't matter that I'm talking about the levels. Grace was on floor 15 and my mom was riding with somebody on the elevator, right mom, who got up to floor 16. And so she went up to floor 16 and she was like, oh, I can just take the stairs down. Try to take the stairs down and she was locked out because you can only open the doors to the stairs from inside the hotel hallway. Long story short, my mom got stuck in the stairwell and she was literally banging on the door as I was on the phone with her because I was trying to find which door was the staircase. And so I was like, wait, bang on it again. I was literally following the sound of her banging on the door. So that was quite eventful. And Mom, how do you feel about that? She's hiding, but it was a 0 out of 10. Look who it is!
I'm dressed and ready for practice. Can you tell? My clothes are under. Sweatshirt is an extra large, way too expensive, from California All-Stars. My sweatpants are from Amazon. They're Hanes and they're like really cheap. Shoes are from Crocs and I've got the Jibbits.
Back in the penthouse. Macy's uniforms are all set out and they're looking so stunning. And I'm off to dinner with mi madre.
Okay, this is for Katie's vlog. We're currently on the way to practice. We're about to go into the elevator.
It's gonna say Alley Cam in the corner.
Now switch it, Macy Cam.
Just kidding.
So much work. I'll update you later.
Doug Cam.
We have arrived at the practice venue. There's so many cheerleaders. It's a bit outrageous. Yeah. There's quite a bit of us. So we're gonna practice. Look at all these people.
At the store.
Katie, you have to put this in because Ella wasn't in it last time, and I don't think Bella was either, so you have to put it in. We're still waiting to go to practice. I'll update you when we practice. It's going in the vlog. This is Hope, the most talented human being on the planet of the earth.
I'm going to get in the shower and go to bed. Tomorrow's my birthday, so that's gonna start a whole new vlog, but thank you guys for watching the one today. It was quite a fun day. I had dinner with all of the cheer parents, which was a great time. I literally ate so much food though. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to go check out HelloFresh. Literally can still hear Allie's mixes. Anyway, I'm very extra and I brought literally my own shampoo and conditioner of the ones I have at home because I was really not about to use the hotel shampoo conditioner on my freshly colored hair. Cannot do that to her. Face wash, the whole shebang. I love you guys and I will see you in tomorrow's episode of Vlogmas. Have a great day or night or whenever you're watching this video. Bye-bye. Oh my god.
Hey, come on, we're vlogging here. You gotta find out. Bidet! Should I turn it on?
Oh my gosh.
You've never heard of a bidet?
No.
You should try it.
Stop. Here's Katie typing rigorously.
Oh my gosh.